it got me thinking. So is it so? You mentioned the family, and I'm wondering like if there's bad blood in the family, or I don't know. Is there like a certain amount of objections that the judge would listen to? And I'm not asking you to guess, but what would make the judge reconsider? Hey, there may be a problem here with this ex-parent that's applying.
Well, so what we would do is if there are family members that are estranged, we want to know that in the beginning. And we would request that the court make orders that we don't need to provide notice. So let's say, grandma has some sort of issues. Maybe she's an alcoholic or a drug addict. And I was just trying to think of something. Because of that, the parents don't have grandma involved with this child, and she's just going to stir things up. We would just request in our original petition, hey, we want to waive notice requirements to maternal or paternal grandmother because she's never had a relationship with this child. She has these substance abuse issues. The parents have chosen not to have her in life. So we try to prevent that at the beginning stages.
So it sounds like you're what you said initially, which is you end up being proactive. So the judge is going to appreciate that because you're kind of letting them know, he or she know, here, there's a possible issue here, and here's what the possible issue is.
Right.
Going on a little bit of a tangent, like what if there's suspected abuse? What happens there? Is there standard of proof? What's the burden? It's a similar question, but maybe there is, you find out, or maybe you think that the other parent might not be the best conservator. What do you need to provide to the court so they can make a objective determination on that?
Well, and that has happened in cases. So adult protective services can come in if we suspect that there has been ongoing abuse.
What's adult? I didn't even know that was a thing.
So just like they have child protective services for children, they also have adult protective services. So it's social workers that come out and make sure that vulnerable populations are not being abused. And a lot of times that's going to come up. The cases are really well investigated. So there will be a probate investigator coming out. They are going to be calling the teachers. They're going to be talking to the doctors. They're going to be talking to the parents and relatives. And so in that process, if something comes up, they're mandated reporters. So they will make that report. That may be a circumstance where an attorney is appointed for the conservatee and they start doing their own investigations as well.